In South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa said that inclusive economic growth and job creation will be a priority for the government of national unity during his State of the National Address to Parliament on July 18, 2024. Plagued by several corruption scandals and a poor economic record during his previous term in office, the leader has pledged to improve his country's economy. According to experts, the South African economy has been severely affected by the HIV/AIDS pandemic. Real gross domestic product growth has slowed due to the persistent power cuts, transport constraints, and falling international prices of gold and metals from 1.9% in 2022 to 0.6% in 2023. Unemployment now affects 32% of the population, with young people on the front line. But President Ramaphosa hopes to turn things around. The South African leader has expressed the spirit of a diverse and cohesive multi-party government that some experts say is already to get down to work, but needs to deepen financial markets and promote public-private partnership for infrastructure development to encourage investment, particularly in the energy sector, which is essential for the inclusive economic growth and structural transformation.